Hi guys, welcome back to Life Science Exam Notification channel. As most of the CSIR NET aspirants are worried about NTA not releasing the exam schedule, so we have decided to raise your demand on Twitter with the hashtag NTA release CSIR NET schedule on this Teachers' Day, that is 5th September 2022 at 4 pm. So, guys, stand up for yourself along with us and tweet with us and tag NTA and CSIR along with the hashtag. I'm also providing the hashtag in the video and the description box also. If you are with us, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And yes, we want the exam schedule as soon as possible because it's affecting the mental status of the students. So please stand up for yourself. Thank you.